Hello, I am Madhu. I am a twin flame divine masculine. And in today's channel reading, I want to specifically pull cards for divine feminines. This is going to reveal the energy of divine feminine and the guidances from universe, how you can go deeper into claiming your power, claiming your worthiness, and claiming your self-respect. Right, that's what you are desiring from your twin flame. But you know the right path is to embody that within yourself, being with God. That's why you are awakening to your true power, right? So I'll just pull 3 cards from the deck of Sacred Feminine Oracle cards. And this will be like 3 cards guiding deeper into feminine energy and the dimensions, into what are the challenges, what are the advice, and what's the outcome we are looking. Okay, this is very colorful card. It's like exactly like the feminine colors, because feminines are full of colors, right? That's the truth of feminine. It's full of life, full of color. Okay, it's talking about serenity. You can see how beautifully the divine feminine is just taking rest. That's how you actually receive. This is how you receive, right? Divine feminine is designed in a way to receive everything, and you can only receive when you actually ground into your truth. You need to start feeling secured and you just ground into it. God is taking care of you. That's the truth of divine feminine. Your masculine is there to give and bring things to you. So serenity guides you to give yourself time to get lost in reverie and to daydream in the peaceful relaxation. Often this is perceived as being lazy, but we are human beings, not human doings. Granting oneself the time just to be can inspire new ideas. Exactly. If you have any guilt that you are taking too much rest, just release that guilt, right? Because only you relax and unwind within yourself, you will actually attract a peaceful channeling from universe, right? And when you work upon that, that's going to bring everything that you desire for your life. That's the truth is. A woman rests serenely in a beautiful room decorated with mirrors, flowers. A healing candle scents the air with the calming fragrances of lavender and bee wax. A vase of beautiful roses offers off their sweet perfume to the aromatic experience. She has prepared the setting to quiet her mind and turn off the endless loop playing over and over. Yes, it is taking just deeper into how you can adore yourself, because the more and more you involve with yourself in serenity, in that self love, taking care of all the small things, like maybe in a day you just want that essential oil that you always loved. Is maybe this is the time just to buy that, and you just stay in that essence, just receive that gift within yourself and just relax into it. Like all the essential oils are very beautiful to calm you down. Okay, so use whatever you feel called to. There is no specific guidance as you use this or that. No, ask yourself what exactly you like. Maybe today you like rose, tomorrow you might like lavender. Whatever you are desiring right now, go and get it and relax into it. Just relax into it. That's how you will unwind and you will open up. Yeah, the next card is about comfort. Okay, you can see it's about the comfort. You can see how beautifully, even if she is having a book, she must, like, she is going through reading something. If you like reading, or like you want to journal, or whatever you want to do, but it is all about you taking care of your comfort. That is the first thing. It's again taking you deeper into the first card, right? It is taking exactly the next step into how you prioritize your comfort. And it is okay, it is, the belief has been, like, being a woman, you don't deserve your comfort, as if you are designed to take care of everybody else. That's not true, that's not divine truth, right? As you are awakening to your true power, you start visualizing yourself as a queen, right? If you treat yourself as a queen, you are going to see that reflection in your real world. But the beginning is, are you believe, like, do you believe that you deserve your comfort? So that's the beginning. So you take care of it. If you have any upset with your divine masculine, that your divine masculine is not giving you that comfort, actually he is just mirroring to your inner state. Deep within you, you don't believe that you deserve comfort, and most of the time it could be just coming from the childhood rearing, where you have seen your mother, grandmother, like, constantly engaged into the activity, right? But you need to make a choice for yourself, right? Your situation is asking you to go deeper into the comfort that your soul is desiring now. Because only when you ground into that comfort, you will be able to open to the life. You will be able to attract a life that is beautiful and that is full of comfort. And you can expand your life purpose in that way, in a natural way. Otherwise, you will be constantly in the, just rushing into the things, and then slowly all those new ideas, or maybe something very unique, that, feminine energy is very creative, right? So those things will be lost if you are not prioritizing your comfort and taking care of yourself. So just go deeper into it. Okay, so it is all about, however the outside may look like, you can always take care of your inner world. Absolutely. Just taking care of the room that you are in, and organizing the things the way you want it, and then just sinking, grounding into that room itself. You don't have to change the world right now, right? So do that. Yeah, the final card is about remnants. It talks about remnants guides you to remember the summer of love by wearing flowers in your hair and listening to music of time, music that spoke of love, of dreams, of everyone getting together and building a better world. That energy is still there. Just tap into the spirit of the hippie and sing a little song about peace and love. So true, right? When it is so discomfort, like so painful, going through the separation, you can go deeper with yourself to understand what do you like. Like, at times, you can always tune into that song that always made you feel happy, made you feel loved. You can ask God, which song is going to make me feel loved right now, and then just tune into it and just see which song is coming up, and that's the perfect one. You will feel loved, absolutely loved in that space. So it is all the time is being in you, that you go deeper. You go deeper with yourself, take care of yourself, and know that you deserve. It's about how beautifully you can uh, enjoy the life that you have, even if your twin flame is not with you, right? God is with you right there, right now, with you. So you deserve everything, and once you connect with that energy in your spirit, you will see naturally the world is going to change for you. That's how it happens. That's a natural process, and you deserve that. So just enjoy and take care of yourself. Thank you.